high-quality rice begins with a standardized production process. Welcome to Khao Aroi Co Limited, a proud member of Wirat Thungsong Rice Trading Group. We operate as a full-service rice manufacturer, specializing in bagged rice for both domestic distribution and international export. Our operations are driven by modern technology and advanced machinery, enhancing the production process to deliver rice that meets the needs of varied market segments. Guided by our vision, we are committed to delivering rice that is high in quality, safe for consumption, and offered at fair prices, ensuring true value in every meal. We continue to foster strong partnerships, promote sustainable growth, and give back to the community. With the goal of becoming a central hub for all rice varieties, our efficient distribution system ensures that our products reach consumers quickly and reliably. Our production facility, located on over 106 rai of land in Nong Plalai, Sub-District, Mueang District, Saraburi Province, is designed to support industrial-scale operations. The plant utilizes state-of-the-art machinery and a fully automated SCADA control system. From milling and moisture level detection to impurity screening, every step is carried out with precision and in accordance with industry standards. The packaging process is fully automated, minimizing the risk of contamination while improving weight accuracy and product cleanliness. A standout feature of our factory is the adoption of pure nitro fresh lock technology, an innovative nitrogen flushing process that helps preserve freshness, prevent degradation, and safely extend shelf life without the use of preservatives. Our facility offers comprehensive bagged rice production services. Our services, from raw material selection to customized packaging, we provide both wholesale and retail solutions with the flexibility to meet specific quality requirements. For bulk buyers, we offer big bag packaging options with tailored rice quality specifications. We also provide rice packaging for special occasions, such as weddings or ceremonial events, with a wide selection of product brands and grades to suit various market segments. For clients interested in building their own brand, we offer OEM services, from production to brand development, to suit their target markets. Nationwide delivery is available, and we offer end-to-end consultation, from business planning to product selection, to ensure maximum value for our customers. Our factory is certified under GHP and HACCP standards, registered with the Thai FDA, and approved for Halal certification, ensuring that every product we deliver is safe, hygienic, and meets global quality standards. We produce and distribute a wide variety of rice types, including jasmine rice, golden jasmine rice, broken jasmine rice, Pathum Thani fragrant rice, budget rice, glutinous rice, and health rice. At Khao Aroi Co Limited, we're committed to earning your trust in every grain and remain dedicated to delivering the very best, today and always.